Hello, Professor. I'm Janakunja Leela Haripriya. So today I'm going to explain about this assignment 5. So this is my Word document. So like here I have incorporated all the screenshots of my work from RapidMiner. So here is the screenshot of my data which I successfully imported with age recorded. And this is the operator called retrieve. So these are the screenshots of my work. So yeah. So the replace missing values called operator is mostly used to replace the missing values. And this is the screenshot, like this is after replacement. And the specific attributes are selected by using the select attributes operator. And this is the screenshot. Coming to the third one. So the operator nominal is used to change the nominal values to text. Coming to the fourth one, so this is a screenshot, and process documents from data called operator is mainly utilized to store or input the process in it is stored. So these are the screenshots. So here we use the operator tokenize here. So we've used the transform cases. So the second one which I have used is transform cases, and in the parameters it is lowercase. So next to the filter, stop words is used. We can see in this screenshot, right? So selecting the operator by length 1, that is filter token, with the min is 4 and max is 99. So like I just want to open my RapidMiner. So this is the design of my work. And coming to the results, this is the clustered model. And yeah. So, and coming to the example set clustering, yes. And the performance vector. So yeah. And again, coming back to the word. So for the clustering purpose, we used k-means. So which k has the digit of 4 and the other parameters are set accordingly as per the requirement, which we can see in the parameters. So clustering is also done successfully. So we can see it here. So we can see the data of the clustering. This is which is like clustering data. So which I have shown it in my RapidMiner tool just now. So this is the example set clustering, like which I have shown earlier in my RapidMiner, this one. So this is my work. These are the results. Example set, cluster modeling. So yeah. So this is the pie chart, which we can see in the visualization section. So this is the graphical representation which we found in the clustered model. Yeah. So after seeing, like coming to the performance operator, so it's like the distance performance to get the quality of the performance. Finally, the performance is executed successfully. So this is the clustered model. So cluster 0 has 1042 items. Cluster 1 has 1123 items. Cluster 2 has 2928 items. Cluster 3 has 2315 items. So the data has the values of various ranges starting from 0. And here we can see the cluster data as well. So yeah. So this is the folder of the cluster data which we have found. So the results are here. So this is the statistics of the data. So like, let me open it. So this is the one. Coming to the, yeah. Yeah, these are the statistics. So this is the bar diagram. So here the topmost says that good sleeping getting in the night can lead to good results for cluster 0. So for the cluster 1, the data says asleep, fall, helps and help. So the cluster 2, taking the medicines for very long can lead to the side effects. And for the cluster 3, it shows us the above image. So if the clustering K means has the value of K4, then we can get the values which are shown in the below image. So this is the image and this is the performance vector. And if the value of K is 6, then we can get the output as this. And that is performance with the values of all performance vectors. So this is the cluster model. So here is the result. So this is the image of inside the process of documents, and coming to the section 3. So RapidMiner is a popular open source data mining tool that offers a range of features of data analysis, including clustering. Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique that is used to group similar data points together based on their attributes. So in this answer, we will discuss clustering in RapidMiner and its various techniques, applications, and conclusions. So clustering definition. So clustering is a process of grouping data points together based on their similarities. It is an unsupervised learning technique that involves partitioning data into clusters where each cluster contains data points that are similar to each other and dissimilar to data points in other values. So clustering techniques. So RapidMiner offers several clustering techniques, including K-means, hierarchical clustering, and DBS scan. K-means is a centroid-based clustering algorithm that divides data points into K clusters based on the mean distance between data points and their respective cluster centers. Hierarchical clustering is a method that builds a hierarchy of clusters by recursively partitioning data into smaller clusters. DBSCAN is a density-based clustering algorithm that groups data points into clusters based on their density in a given region. So coming to the applications, clustering has numerous applications in various fields, so such as marketing, biology, and social science. In marketing, clustering is used to segment customers based on their purchasing behavior, demographics, and other attributes. So in biology, clustering is used to group genes or proteins based on their functions or expression patterns. So in social science, clustering is used to identify groups of people with similar attitudes, preferences, or behavior patterns. So conclusion. So clustering is an important technique in data mining that is used to group similar data points together based on their attributes. So RapidMiner offers several clustering techniques including K-means, hierarchical clustering, and EV-scan. So clustering has numerous applications in various fields such as marketing, biology, and social science. As such, clustering in RapidMiner is a powerful tool for analyzing large data sets and gaining insights into complex relationships between data points. So these are the references which I have taken. Yeah. So coming to the attributes that we have used, select attribute. So in order to prepare your data for various machine learning tasks, including classification, regression, and clustering, for use in various applications in India, such as forecasting the price of agricultural products, spotting fraudulent financial transactions, or examining social media trends, you can use the select attributes operator in RapidMiner. So process document from data. So in order to increase the quality of the analysis, this operator can also be used to pre-process the text data by deleting stop words, stemming, or lemmatizing the words to reduce variations and using other text mining techniques. So you may quickly complete several analysis tasks like sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and document classification by converting the unstructured data, text data into structured format. So this will allow you to obtain insights into the trends and patterns in data pertaining to the new events. So K means clustering. So similar to your farming technique in RapidMiners, K means clustering algorithm. So in order to optimize your farming techniques for each cluster and raise your overall production, it helps you divide your crops into various clusters based on their similarities and differences. So the K means clustering algorithm employs mathematical approaches to group related data points together based on their proximity to one another, much like how you may divide your crops into several clusters based on their yield, water requirements, and nutritional requirements. So up until the clusters settle, the method iteratively assigns data points to the closest cluster centroid and recalculates the centroids. So cluster distance performance is nothing but the distance between various clusters of data points can also be seen with this operator on a map. allowing you to see which clusters are the farthest apart and adjust your transit system accordingly. So you may create a new transit route that connects two groups of neighborhoods that are farthest away, for instance, like to make it easier for the locals to go around. So coming to the conclusion, with the help of most popular data sets in a specific format, the ultimate analysis screen provides a systematic strategy that makes it simple to understand the earlier blocks and construct a precisely defined k-means cluster. So this is the strategy. So after entering the k value as 6, this is the plot which we have got. So these are the following screenshots. So finally, the data is here with the 6 clusters. So right from cluster 0 to cluster 5. So this is my work, Professor. So thank you. Thank you so much.